Hi everyone. Today on Hello Susan we're going to make this purple folio, and it comes as a whole kit. It is a Hello Susan design. I'm going to show you the 3 pages that it comes with. First of all, you get the folio cover, and you're going to fold it right here, and then on the other side is the second page that you get, which is your background. So when you fold it in, you've got beautiful inside, and then it comes with all the decorations to decorate the outside here and to fill it full of tags. And of course we're going to add a little bit of lace and appliques along the way. So let me get this all cut out and get it set up, and I'll be right back and we'll work on it together. Alright, see you in a minute. Okay, so I got everything cut out. And I've got the tags here already inked up and with toppers in them. I've used some rayon seam binding. This is the cover of the small folio. This is the inside. This is the outside. You fold these 2 edges in and you glue them right here, and that creates pockets on the inside, and then you fold it up. And then you decorate the outside and you stuff the pockets. So I've already got another piece that I inked up and have it glued, and I pretty much decided how I wanted to decorate it. So let's go ahead and start on the inside. Got my little bits and pieces together, and everything I'm using except for the trims comes with the kit, remember. Okay, so we've got this little word, and we've got these tags that we can add in. Let's go ahead and put those with those tags over there. Okay, so I just fussy cutted out this little cottage that's got violets around it, and I've got a piece of trim that I'm going to put on there, and then I glued a little tassel to the back, and it's got netting and it's got some cotton fabric. Okay, so let's put the trim on first. Just using my Fabri-Tac. This is such a quick and easy project, but it's sure you can dress it up just as much as you want or leave it as plain as you want. It's up to you. You do you. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I've got another piece of trim that I want to put, so we might as well do that one too. Let's go ahead and put this one right here so it matches. So I hope everybody's doing well. I'm going to wish everybody a happy Easter. I think this might come out after Easter, but tomorrow's Easter for me because I'm doing this on Saturday. Yeah, this will come out after Easter. Okay. Well, I hope you had a happy Easter then. Okay. Let me bring my ink in so I can go ahead and put some ink on that lace. Then it won't be looking quite so brand new. And this side too. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to attach this little picture right here at the top, and that way the little tassel can hang down. So I'm just going to put some glue there. Just like that. Isn't that cute? And then the little word "be happy" I'm going to put down here at the bottom. Whoops. I put glue all over that, and I should not have. Because I want it to overhang, but I don't want it to glue down. Let me make sure before I press that down too much. Yeah, I got it off. Okay, so then on this side, I want to add this little card, and I want to put that right here as part of a decoration. So just put some glue there. Try just doing the corner to begin with, and then if I need to add some more, I can. Yeah, I think I need to add just a little bit more at the top here. I want it to go at an angle. Like that, yeah. Don't want it to go over the edge though. Okay. And then I ordered this off Etsy. They are pressed real flowers, and they're enclosed in some clear. I don't know, it feels thinner than laminating sheets, but it's sandwiched in there. Isn't that pretty? And that's a clematis. And I'm going to glue that in place. Let me see. These go in the pocket, so I'm going to set those right there. I've got a little bow. Okay, so I think this is the way I want to put it. I want to put that right there. There we go. And that'll stick right there. And then I've got this little bow that I tied out of some fabric. You know how when you're ripping fabric, then you have all these little pieces left? Well, I'm starting to make bows out of mine. Okay, so now I want to put this right here somewhere. Let's see. I guess like that. I don't want it to be, I want it to be like it's tied around the flower is what the whole concept for that was. Okay. And that's what that looks like. Now we'll stuff the pockets in a minute. I want to go ahead and get started on the front of the cover. Okay, and I've got all my little bits and pieces together for that too. I ordered these little flowers off Amazon, and then I inked them up a little bit, and it's got pearls and rhinestones sewed in the center. And I've got some purple lace, and this is a ruffle that I added this trim to. It's some little hand sewed flowers. And then I've got the butterfly from the kit and the little plaque. And this is the picture from the kit, and I put the same lace that we put on the inside across the top and across the bottom. Let me go ahead and ink that just a little bit. Now I put some net on top of the picture. I put this little other net that I have that's got some gold threads in it, and also the cotton fabric on the back. And I want to put that about right here. Now let me get it all lined up a little bit. I know I want that there. I know this is going to go across the top here. Okay, let's go ahead and start with the top one. I think that would be the best thing to do. That way I get it all spaced just right. Whoops. Okay, now this is going to go here. This is going at the bottom. Let me go ahead and put this on at the bottom. Then I can see exactly where to put that bird picture so that it's all the way I want it. I'll lift this up for a minute, and I'm gonna clamp those, because I don't want to have to sit here and hold it. Okay, now we've got that. This I decided to put right here, But I have to put the picture of the bird on first. And I think it goes about right there, and then this goes right there. Okay, so let's put this one, let's put the bird on next. And I'm not going to do the entire thing. I want it to be kind of fluffy. So I am going to do every place where the paper was. Of course, it's next to fabric right now, but I'm going to put the paper on straight, but I have the fabric going crooked. Okay, let me see if I got that about right. I think that's perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and put some glue on this pretty flower. I don't want it to cover up my birds, but I do want it to be covering a little bit of the lace right there. Okay, let's put this piece on. It says, wish, hope, dream, then make it happen. And we'll put this right in the center of the page. And what's left is the butterfly. Okay. That looks good. Maybe a little bit up higher. Yeah, like that. Okay, let's see if this is stuck. I don't think it's completely dry, but stuck enough. Okay, now look at this. I want to show you what we started with and what we ended up with. Isn't that awesome? I love it. And of course yours can look totally different from mine. It just depends on what you want to use. Okay, let's go ahead and fill the pockets real quick. Isn't that pretty? Just love it. Okay. I want to put this bird on this side. And this big tag goes on this side. And this little one goes here. And this one goes in here too. And then let's put both of these over here. Just like that. Well, what do you think? That's the back. And there's the front.
Move that out of the way so you can see it better.
Okay, well that's it for me today. Thanks so much for joining me. See you next time. Bye-bye.